The overall goal of this procedure is to image C. elegans development using fluorescence light sheet microscopy. This is accomplished by first setting up the light sheet-based microscope, composed of an upright microscope and a small set of optomechanical elements to generate a light sheet. The second step of the procedure is to mount the embryo. The last steps are to adjust the light sheet onto the embryo and record its development. The results can show the dynamics of fluorescently labeled proteins during C. elegans development via the analysis of 3D and time-lapse videos.
The main advantages of light sheet microscopy over other existing methods such as confocal microscopy is that it allows faster imaging with lower phototoxicity.
Though this method can provide insight into C. elegans development, it can also be applied to other systems such as Drosophila or zebrafish. Demonstrating the procedure will be Claire Chardès, an engineer from my laboratory, and Pauline Mélénec, an engineer from the laboratory of Vincent Bertrand.
This section describes the setup assembly, and it can be left assembled for all experiments. Once the lasers, filters, telescope, and periscope have all been positioned on the optical table, secure the cylindrical lens to generate the light sheet. A different lens is adjusted for focus. The focal point of the illumination objective should coincide with the object focal point of the detection objective. Now project the beam onto the wall or screen and move the illumination